Hello fans, today you are welcome to my video once again. Today you are going to learn how to connect your USB cable to your MP3 charging point. Understand? So you are going to learn how to convert your MP3 charging point to a USB cable. Please, as you are watching this video, do well to tap on the follow button and share this video. You are going to learn how to connect your MP3 cable in the way anytime you want to charge your MP3, you can bring out the cable and charge your MP3, and when the MP3 is fully charged, you can also put in the cable inside your MP3. So keep on watching this video as you learn this skill. Remember to like this video so that it will motivate me to post another one. So continue watching this video, and as you are watching, please do well to share to others to learn this model of changing your MP3 charging point to a cable in this normal way. Keep on watching this video as you see this test. Let's go. As you are watching, please do well to share this video. Do well to share it across all platforms that you are following to enable them to learn this type. Make sure you cut your cable in the size that you want. If you want it to be short, then you can make it to be short or long, just your choice. So but long cable is better than short cable. So make sure when time you are changing it, make sure the cable is long, and also you must make sure that any particular cable you are making use of is original cable, and make sure you touch it from inside the MP3 so that it won't cut. It won't cut anytime that you mistakenly want to charge it. You can see. So keep on watching this video. There's something you will see in this video. You can see. Make sure you test everything before coupling it back. Understand? So now that you have tested it very well, then you can couple your MP3, couple it, and wait for just wait. You can see how portable this MP3 is now, and the cable that is just connected can last more than a year than Type-C. You know, cable lasts longer than Type-C. Understand? So you can see. Just watch. Keep on watching. You will see the outcome of this MP3. Keep on watching, guys. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. Now I have copied the MP3 back. You can see. That is the reason why I told you that you must make use of original cable. Don't go and use all this Damanama cable, all this Abamade cable. Go and buy original cable before you can pick this type. You can see how I connected this cable. You can see how long it is, and it is showing. You can see the red bulb. You can see that it is charging.
So guys, this is the best way to fix any MP3 charging cable. Thank you.